Leetcode delete challenge. It is an easy problem. 1437. Check if all ones are at least length k places away. So if all ones are at least k places away, then for any two of 1, we can count the number of 0 between them. Then to achieve this, we can do a counting. And there will be some point we're gonna reset this counter. So when do we reset this counter? So whenever we have a 1, let's reset this counter. Then for each 0, we just add 1 for the counter. Then for next time reset, if the counter is less than k, that means the gap is less than k, then it's a false. Otherwise, it will be true.